Morning everybody, this is Damien with the Exteriorscapes. We are here starting our first cleanouts, and that's all we're intending on doing at this point, is doing our pond maintenance cleanouts and services, just because stagnant water is not a good thing for anybody. And again, we're taking care of our pond cleanouts, seasonal startups, and starting our maintenance accounts, just so that we don't have any bigger issues later on. So follow along. We've got a 12 by 12 pond about 30 inches deep, and the water itself is actually crystal clear all the way down to the bottom. The issue here is that there's a lot of debris. The rocks really don't look that scuzzy, so we probably will not pressure wash this, but we will look and see when we're in there. So what we're going to do is take this clear water and we're going to put it in the tote over my shoulder here, just so that we can reuse that. It'll help to get that ecosystem going a little bit quicker than adding all fresh water. Okay, so we're into this pond clean out, and originally I was planning on not pressure washing this one, but you know, it's a little bit scuzzier than I thought it was at first glance, so we are going to end up pressure washing. Right now all we're doing is we're flushing everything towards the bottom of the pond, and that'll get us an easier place to find our debris. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to take this blast hose here of the pond water, which it is the dirtier water that's in here, but this filter mat, you can see, has a whole bunch of debris in it. So a lot of people would be inclined to take their garden hose with fresh water and rinse that out. The drawback to that is the chlorine and chloramines and anything that's in that water could potentially kill off the beneficial bacteria. So by taking the existing water that's in the pond, even though it is dirtier, it will clean out the large debris, but it'll also leave some of that beneficial bacteria in there so that we can, again, start that ecosystem up as expeditiously as possible. Alright, we're just about done here. We're starting to fill it back up. We are using the water from our storage tank, and we're also adding some additional water from the city supply. So because of that city supply, what we're going to do is we're going to add some dechlorinator, pond detoxifier, just to get rid of the chlorine, chloramines, anything that's in it as best we can. And then also we're going to add some Aquascape cold water beneficial bacteria. This cold water beneficial bacteria will start to seed into the gravel we have on the bottom and help to get everything started here. So hopefully within the next 2 weeks we'll have a nice established ecosystem going. Alright, so we just finished this pond clean out. Water's just a little murky. We did reuse a lot of the old water. It's about a 1,200 gallon pond, and we probably reused about 600 gallons of it. So just that's a little bit of murkiness, which is fine. It'll clear up in 24 hours once everything cycles through a little bit. But as I said before, I clean ponds. I don't sterilize them. Okay, so that little bit of stuff that's in there, that's actually good for the system. Helps to get the beneficial bacteria seeded and started a little bit better right away.